welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Haleigh and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing this hairstyle right here. This is based off of Khloe Kardashian's hairstyle when she was on Ellen the other day. I love this hairstyle, I love this look, I think it's so cute. So if you want to see what tools I used, what hair products I used to get this hairstyle, then please keep watching. Okay, so to start off this hair tutorial, you're going to need a heat protectant. The heat protectant I use is by Wella Professionals. It's called Thermal Image. So to start off, we're just going to spray that all over our hair, just to make sure we're not going to ruin our hair by putting the heat on it. The next thing I like to use is just a regular little comb. I think this is like $3 at the dollar store or something. And we're just gonna brush through our hair. Now my hair is not as thick as Khloe Kardashian's. My hair is pretty thin actually, so we might not be able to get the body that she has, but we're gonna try. So to start off, we are gonna section our hair, and this is probably the hair that we are gonna keep up in the ponytail. But first we are going to wrap that around and then take these little clips. I got these at TJ Maxx for like $3. Alright, and the tool we're going to be using is by Bedhead, the A Wave We Go. It's like a little waver. I got this at Ulta. It's pretty cool, and you can change the settings of the waves. So we're gonna make ours pretty tight because she probably didn't use one of these. So to use this, all you need to do is section off some hair, and you're gonna want to start at the root, and you're just gonna hold it for like 5 seconds. You don't want to damage your hair. And you can use a curling iron to do this, but it would take a lot longer. And this is how I would do it. You just want to hold it there. And then you're going to take another section. You can do big, little, big, little. And for the little pieces, you don't want to hold it as long. Over, and we're just going to continue to do this all around our head. Okay, now that your hair looks like Justin Timberlake's hair in the 90s, aka Raymond Noodle hair, we're going to want to brush it out. Just make it a little bit more full of body. And we are going to take our Professional Sebastian Shine Shaker Spray. This is just a little shine spray that I like. And we're just going to spray that on the hair. And just piece it out a little bit. Get it a little piecey. Like that. Okay, so next we're going to take a little comb. This isn't a teasing comb, but it's just a little comb that I got at the drugstore. And we are going to start piecing off our hair. And from the picture, it looks like Khloe has all the way down to here, to her ears. So we're going to take that, and we are going to get some of the hair behind there as well. Khloe's hair is so pretty. It's so full though, and my hair is just not. And we're gonna smooth this out with the comb. Alright, so now we're gonna start teasing. Alright, so first we are going to put the hair up, and we are going to be using these little elastics. You can get these at the drugstore. You can get like 100 for like $1. So we're just going to put that around there. Don't want it to look like that. So let's take the comb now and start piecing pieces off. And we're just gonna tease them, make them look a little bit fuller. Okay, so Khloe has a little gold thing around her ponytail. We don't have a gold thing, so we are just gonna take a piece of hair from behind here that's not in the ponytail. Like so. And we're just going to wrap that around. We're just going to take it and bobby pin that. Like that. And then, because we don't want that to go away, we're going to take some Aquanet. You can get this at the dollar store for a couple dollars. And we're just gonna spray that. And there you have it, Khloe Kardashian's hairstyle on Ellen when she's talking about her baby. I love this hairstyle. I wear my hair like this all the time in the high half pony. There we go. If you like this video, if you like me, please like and subscribe this video. It would mean a lot to me. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.